welcome to my channel, Smile There's Wine. Emily here. Hope everyone is doing so great out there. I don't have wine with me today because it is like 12 o'clock, and if I start drinking now, the day will be over real soon. So, you know, just got many things to do today, including opening up my latest Stitch Fix. So excited about that. I think it's going to be a really good box. I did peek. I couldn't handle it. I had to peek. Not in the box directly, but I did peek when they sent the preview, and I chose 5 pieces from the preview. So the preview was really good. Sometimes the preview is very hit or miss for me, but I do enjoy having the preview. If you've never done Stitch Fix before, it's super fun, you guys. I am a mom. I am a full-time teacher. We run a household, you know, sports, kids. We kind of live on a farm, kind of, because we have goats and larger property, but I still don't feel like we're like farmers, but we kind of are. Anyways, I'm all over the place. But I absolutely love Stitch Fix because I do not have time to go shopping. I love clothing. Oh my goodness. Clothing is like a problem. Like, I love it so much. But I just always either have my kids with me, and I'm rushing, or I just don't like have time to really focus and figure out what I want. So I absolutely love Stitch Fix for the fact that they do all of that for you. They send you a box of clothing, and you get to try it on in the comfort of your own home. If you do not like anything, you can send it all back. If you like 1 or 2 pieces, you can keep those, send the rest back. Free shipping both ways. I just think it's super great. There's been many teachers that I've kind of turned on to Stitch Fix just because I know how busy we all get. So if you've never tried it, you should definitely check it out. Find someone that does it. Use their referral link. If you don't know anybody and you'd like to try it, I will provide a referral link below. You don't have to use mine, but make sure you use somebody and save yourself a little bit of that money. They do charge a $25 styling fee, which you will get credited back to you if you keep anything. So of course you got to keep one thing, but that's not hard to do. And if you love all 5 pieces and you get the notorious 5 out of 5, then you get an additional 25% off the entire box. I have had quite a few 5 out of 5s. I have an amazing, sorry, that's noisy and loud. I have an amazing stylist right now, so I'm excited. So let's jump on in. Happy spring, everyone. I hope you guys are doing fabulous out there. What shows are we binge watching right now? I am fully binge watching Daisy Jones and the Sixes. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I think I'm going to buy the CD. Yes, I'm still one of those people that rock a CD in my car. So, I don't know. Comment below. Have you watched that show? What are you watching? Do you like the soundtrack? Do you still have CDs? Do you still rock a CD in your car? My girlfriends make fun of me. They're like, seriously? Oh, pricing. Just so you know the flow of my show, we're going to get the initial reaction by checking out what's in here. I'll try everything on for you, and then we'll look at pricing. If you watch my channel, you know I'm cheaper, and I don't like to check out pricing until the very end, because if I see that something's $80, I'm going to be like, ah, instantly, no. But if I try it on and love it, I might be like, I might do $80. I might do it. All right, super cute. Also, if you're kind of like stuck and you're needing help with styling, they do cute little outfit pieces for you. And your stylist will send you a note. Let's hear what my amazing stylist, Nicole, has to say.
Emily, happy Fix Day, gorgeous. I hope that you've had some luck from St. Patrick's Day and it trickles into this box of goodies. Ha ha ha. It's nice to be checking in with you and hope you're starting to get some nicer weather there in California, especially now that spring is it's finally here. I'm super thrilled that you found so many cute styles from the Fix preview. Woohoo! Let's take a look at these trendy straight leg jeans that you've selected. I know the Days denim option is a bit above the preferred price range. However, they are one of my personal favorite brands, and I thought the long inseam length would be perfect for you. The minimal distressing is also super cute to head into the warmer months. Am I right? Toss them on with either the pullovers, and feel free to layer with the cargo jacket as well, especially for those chilly nights. Enjoy. XO Nicole.
Yay! I actually found Nicole through my YouTube journey, my little YouTube world. She reached out to me and she's like, hey, I do Stitch Fix. I'd love to style you. And which is really cool because I feel like she kind of knows me a little bit. Oh my goodness, does this not scream spring? Look at these beautiful colors. I'm ready, you guys. I totally, ooh, so pretty. I totally just cleaned out my closet right before this video. Well, I had to like put all the laundry and stuff in the right places. And so I packed away a lot of my winter clothes. It is still wintry here. We've been getting a lot of rain this year in California, which is great because we needed it. So I still have a lot of winter clothes, but I thought it'd be fun to start kind of pulling out some of the spring colorful type of things. So let's dive in and see. What a beautiful bundle that was, wasn't it? Okay, the first thing on top. Oof, beautiful coloring. This is by Pinqui. I don't know if I say that right, but that's how I say it. And it is a little kind of cropped sweater. Oh my goodness, so cute. These are like the perfect muted Easter colors. This is like, it's hard for you to pick up, but right here, this is like a light blue, like almost like a toothpaste blue, a minty blue. And then we have more of like a navy blue, and then we have gray, and then this kind of a very pretty lavendery pink. So cute. I love sweaters like this. The fabric feels amazing. I feel like I kind of have something similar in my closet, but I still absolutely love this. So cute. Okay, and if this does not scream spring, I don't know what does. So adorable. With little sleeves, little ruching here. Let's check out that print. Oh, love it. Some ruching, smocking actually in the back. So we'll see what that does. And then I think it comes down to almost just like a little peplum-y type of style. Has like a little faux, little ribbony kind of thing here, a little bow. So cute. We will see how this fits and what is going on here. But I love that. I feel like it's also kind of boho-y vibe. I have some purple corduroy like bell bottoms. They're amazing. But I'm like, what do I wear with that? This could work. Okay, on to this little love. This is by Pink Clover, and this is just like a little white, kind of more creamish sweater. Look at those beautiful sleeves, little knit sleeves. This is a great like spring transition piece, I think. Can't go wrong with white. I feel like style right now is very solid, like grays, whites, beiges. And so throw it on a pair of jeans or even kind of do like a monochromatic kind of thing. Very cool. Okay, so I have 2 pairs of denim here. I have so much denim, but I'm looking for more that's better. I need some long, straight leg jeans, kind of like the new style. I have a ton of cropped. I have a ton of straight legs. I'm also interested in boot cut and flare. So let's check out these. These are by Just USA. Great brand. Have had them before. They look just clean and straight. Yes. Also, if you follow me, you know my journey. I'm 5'7", not super tall, but to find pants that are my perfect length, because I'm picky with my length, is hard to do. Stitch Fix helps with that. So that is so nice that they're able to, you know, I can put that in my preference of what I'm looking for. And then they're able to kind of help. These are the more expensive ones. These are the Days denim that she said is so good. You can see that there's kind of like some fading, a darker wash. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so has some distressing, which is fine. I'm loving this ankle though. Look at that. I love that it's kind of like a fray cut there. And this almost looks to be like a good boot cut. I don't know, we'll have to see what it's like when we put it on. Now, if you are not into distressing, you could put that on your profile and then they won't send you anything with distressing. So, totally customizable for you. All right, well, we are gonna get dressed and have some fun here. I am excited. So let's jump into the try on. Okay guys, here we are with these first 2 pieces. I have on these Just USA straight leg jeans and this Pinqui little sweater. Let's take a closer look at the sweater. All right, the sweater fits super nicely. It is a nice, wonderful little material. It feels soft, not super itchy or anything. How cute are the coloring here? Is the coloring here? I like with these kind of lighter sweaters, you can still kind of do a little front tuck action. It's cute, it's warm, I like it a lot. Okay, all right, let's pan down to look at the jeans. Okay, so I'm not sure if these jeans are exactly what I'm looking for. One, I do love the length. Very good. They are a little bit big. I know they say kind of like high rise, so even if I pull them up, yeah, I'm just not, I'm having such a hard time with this style. I just don't think it really does anything, right? It's kind of just blah. I feel like I need something different. Maybe it's the shoes that I'm wearing with it, but these are kind of like the little booties I would wear to work. So yeah, I don't think this is exactly what I'm looking for. Hopefully we'll have more success with the other pair of jeans, the darker print or the darker wash. But I do say that they are comfortable. I just don't feel like they're exactly what I'm looking for. Maybe I don't even know what I'm looking for. I don't know. Okay, let's get to the next. Okay, here I am with this adorable little top, but I wanted to keep on the same jeans just to see what it would look like, maybe with sandals, since the weather here hopefully will be changing to spring pretty soon. And I think they're cute. I like the length and how it hits. It's just not perfect. There's just something a little bit off about it. But I did want to try it on again. It's still just a little big. I know that's straight leg, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's talk about this top. How adorable is this top? Let me zoom you up a little bit. Okay, if this is not spring, I don't know what is. So cute. I did just kind of pull the sleeves down, but for work, I would most likely just wear them up like that. Still super cute, but I do like the chance, you know, the option that you can wear it down and it doesn't slide up. You can wear it out like wine tasting or like on a little date night or something, and then this would be the option more appropriate for work or just, you know, something a little more conservative. So let's take a closer look at this really pretty print. I love it. And it does kind of have a little, you know, sweetheart area here, kind of just scooping your girls, but it's not horrible. It's subtle. And it has this cute little tie and comes down. You can also do like a front tuck, kind of peplum-y. Has this, ignore the bra and all the straps, but you can kind of see it has like this little ruching action in the back, which is so cute. Most likely would wear a strapless bra with this, but yes, love this top. So far, happy with everything. Let's jump into the expensive jeans. Woo. Hey, I want to fit in here so that you can see the length of these. These are the jeans that are technically a high-rise wide leg, I think is what it's called. I like them a lot. I'm definitely getting a lot of my high school 90s vibes with them, but I think they are pretty cute. I love the length. I love that it's not like tapered and that it's that wide leg. I think that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something different kind of going on down at the bottom. Sorry, we'll zoom down so you can check it out more. And then I have on this adorable little top here. I really do love this top. This one, I can't remember who it's by, but love this, especially when it starts warming up here, because this would be great for like a day that's going to get a little bit warmer, but in the morning it's a little bit cooler. You can throw on like a cardigan or something. Just fits really nicely, just so, you know, kind of crisp and creamy color. Do a little front tuck action with it, which is really fun. Let's zoom down, check out these jeans. Okay, look at this. This is fun. The distressing on the knees does not bother me. I can get away with it. I'm not worried about that. I like everything. I like the loose fit. Fits good. It is a little bit, you know, I wish it was kind of like a little bit tighter here, because I feel like it kind of gets tight up here and then it kind of pushes a little mom chunk there, so that's not always fun, but having a nice sweater kind of cover that up is cute. So actually, I like these. I'm just not, I just don't know. I don't know. These jeans, this new jean style is hard. It's kind of crazy. Let me switch up some things. Okay, I just wanted to try these with just some flats. just to see like the length and where the length cut. And then I just put this same sweater back on, just kind of cropped it up a little bit. So these are fun. These are cute. I just don't know. Let's jump into pricing. Let's jump into pricing. Oh my gosh, I'm such a jean snob. So much. They're just never perfect. Direct together. Jeez. All right, let's start with the Pinqui Libertine balloon sleeve sweater. The one I have on for $33.97. Great price. I think it's so cute. I think it'd be perfect for like Easter. Even if I found like a little flowered skirt to go with it, I think it's super cute. Great price. Okay, the Denim Days Far Out High Rise Wide Leg Jean in Indigo, size 10, $98. I just don't know about that. Okay, the Just USA Jacqueline High Rise Straight Leg Jean in Indigo, also size 10. Interesting. One fit. The other did not. The other was a little loose. A pet peeve of mine, you guys know, is where in one size you're this, and the other size you're this, and one's too big, and one's too small, and one's too tight. Anyways, that one's only $60. But I just don't know if I love those either. Mason & Bell Megan cinch front blouse in off-white size media, $46. Super cute little floral top, but for $46. Pink Clover Kylie pointel sleeve sweater, off-white. I really did love that one. I think that was really pretty. Size medium, $48 also. Everything together came to $283.97. Not bad for all those pieces. If I did the buy all discount at 25% off, it would take off $71, leaving me at $212.98. I also have some credit, so I could get the whole box for $150. I might do it. I might think about that. I am trying to save money because I'm taking my daughter to New York this summer. We're going to go see some musicals. And that's turning out expensive. So I told myself, don't be buying anything. Don't do it. I don't know. So this is going to be either a buy all 5 and just love the jeans and rock them, figure out the shoes. I'm wondering if when I put these jeans on, like, did I just choose those brown boots that are like into the season, like they've had their days. Are they done? They might be done. And so that they did that like throw off my style. That's why I put on those other shoes. Anyways, this is me processing. Yeah, sorry. Okay. And I really did love all the tops. But like, what's the one winning piece? The floral piece or that really sweet, just like white cream sweater? Or this love? It's like I loved all the tops, but the 2 denim pieces I was like, I liked, but this is when it gets hard. What do I do? I'm going to have to think. I'm going to try to get this video up quickly so you guys can help me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all doing fabulous out there. And stay tuned. I have more videos coming for you soon. Don't forget to give me that like, subscribe if you haven't. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll check you guys on the next one. Okay, bye.